you doing today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Well, lately I just feel like I could just use some freshening up.
Oh, I know. A lot of people feel that way this time of the year, so that's why we're here to help.
Great. So what kind of things do you do here at About Face?
We have a lot of different services to help you be the best you can be.
Well, this sounds great. So how about microdermabrasion or laser peel or even hair removal? Do you do that here?
Yes, we do, and we even have microneedling now as well.
What's microneedling?
Oh, it's great. It's a non-invasive treatment with a little pen that can help stimulate the collagen in your skin, and it helps with many different problems like acne, scarring, and it's wonderful.
Sounds great. I'd like to go ahead and get started. So what are our next steps here?
We can book you in for a free consult, and there's no obligation whatsoever.
Oh, that sounds great, Karen. I'd like to go ahead with that as soon as we can.
Okay, great. Just check the schedule here and book an appointment. Okay.